Welcome to our channel. Today we how to back up HSA contributions and statements with Lively detailed guide step by step clearly. To begin, access your Lively account by visiting their website. Log in using your credentials. Once logged in, navigate to the dashboard of your account. Look for the section labeled Health Savings Account or HSA. Click on this section to view your contributions and statements. Select the Statements tab for a detailed view of your contributions. You will see a list of available statements for each year. Choose the specific year you want to back up. Click on the statement to open it in your browser. Review the statement to ensure all information is correct. To save the statement, look for the download icon or option. Click the download button to save the file to your device. Select a clear folder where you want to store this file for easy access. Next, return to the Contributions section. Here, you can also find a list of your past contributions. Similar to statements, look for an option to download or export your contributions. Choose the preferred format, often PDF or CSV. Click the download button to save this information as well. Ensure you repeat this process for any additional years or periods needed. Once you have downloaded all necessary files, check the destination folder. Verify that all files are named correctly and are accessible. Your HSA contributions and statements are now securely backed up. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.